Make sure all cows are healthy and in line for transport.
Keep the herd calm. Follow the safety protocol. Scan each cow before entering the processing line.
Ensure every cow is completely clean before cutting. Sanitize all tools. Hygiene is top priority.
Maintain uniform slices. Premium quality required. Maintain exact weight. Consistency is crucial.
Ensure color consistency across all.
Proceed. Reject anything substandard.
Check all portions for defects. Maintain high standards.
Mark any imperfections. Only top-grade meat moves forward.
Every package should meet our luxury standards.
Buff until perfect shine. Only
Presentation matters as much as quality.
Double-check temperature. Maintain freshness at all times.
Ensure cold chain integrity. Freshness preserved.
results cleared. Premium quality verified.
Brand integrity maintained. Every barcode must scan clean. Every cut must pass. Quality is non-negotiable. Double-check temperature. Freshness is priority.
All packages are neatly stacked. No damage allowed.
Keep the temperature stable. Luxury quality depends on it.
Temperature is locked, ready for transport.
Truck 4 and 5 cleared for departure.
Surface. Keep temperature steady. Prevent contamination. Dry evenly. Ensure no cracks on the...
Maintain solution levels. Perfect leather needs precise soaking.
Ensure every hide reaches premium quality before finishing. Perfect finish. This leather is ready for luxury products.
Every sheet must match dimensions exactly.
Ensure cows are well fed before.
Every stitch must be flawless, and this is luxury craftsmanship.
Stack neatly. Ready for next luxury product stage.
Everything is running on schedule. Maintain top efficiency.
Ensure all health metrics are normal before next processing stage. Only apply evenly. Ensure maximum softness and shine. Every piece must match the design perfectly.
Every piece must match the design perfectly.
Precision is key. Every stitch must be perfect.
Apply the last coating evenly. No streak.
Tight stitching only. Luxury demands precision.
Look for imperfections. Reject even tiny flaws.
Everything labeled? Good. Keep rows aligned.
Brand initials must be centered perfectly.
Polish it gently, make it shine.
Edges. Cut steady. These boots must be flawless. Alignment perfect. Don't miss a single stitch.
For scratches, perfection required.
Maintain exact stand.
Keep stitch lines perfectly straight. Resheet, ready for final crafting.
Ensure smooth workflow. Maintain highest luxury standards.
Perfect labeling.
Maintain tension. Ensure smooth, flawless stitching. Every logo must be crisp. No errors allowed. All stations running perfectly. Production at peak efficiency.
Shorter and monotonous. Ensure uniform finish. Premium standard maintained.
All products ready for shipment. Luxury standard confirmed.
Every cut must match the design perfectly. No mistakes.
Emboss accurately. Every logo must be perfect.
Careful handling. Avoid damage.
Productivity.
Every stitch precise. No compromises on luxury quality. Tag placement must be centered precisely.
Spray evenly. Do not over-apply. Tighten screws gently. Don't scratch the metal.
Everything approved, sign it.
If else. Seal each wrap carefully.
Showcase this pair. Beautiful work.
Everything looks flawless. Good job.
Secure containers. This is premium cargo.
Healthy animals. Premium products.
Another day of perfect operations.
Run it twice. Smooth movement required.
Keep the foil clean. No smudges.
Shipment confirmed, everything is correct.
Perfect fit. This is premium work.
Everything must arrive in perfect condition.
All trucks cleared for departure.
Clean all stations. Get ready for tomorrow.
Everything sorted? Excellent.
Automation engaged. Systems running smoothly. All systems green. Performance optimal.